Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for managing your digital life. Today, we're tackling something super practical: how to remove a card from Venmo in 2025. Whether you're switching to a new card, decluttering your account, or just tightening up your financial security, this quick guide has got you covered. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Venmo app updated to the 2025 version on your smartphone. This ensures you're working with the most current interface. Start by opening the app and logging into your account. You'll land on your home screen, which shows your recent activity. Next, tap on the menu icon. It's usually in the top left or right corner, looking like 3 lines or a profile picture. This will open a sidebar or drop-down menu. Scroll down and select Settings or Account Settings. Once you're in there, look for the section labeled Payment Methods or Wallet. It's typically under the Privacy and Security options. Now, in the Payment Methods area, you'll see a list of all the cards linked to your account. Tap on the card you want to remove. A details page will pop up, and there should be an option like Remove Card or Delete. Go ahead and select that. Venmo might ask for confirmation to prevent accidental removals, so just follow the prompts and verify your choice. After you confirm, the card will be removed from your account instantly. That's it, simple as that. But here's a pro tip. Always double-check your payment methods after making changes to ensure everything's up to date. Also, remember that removing a card doesn't affect any pending transactions, so you're good to go. Wrapping this up, managing your Venmo account is all about staying secure and organized. If you follow these steps, you'll have no issues. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit that like button. Subscribe for more 2025 tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. See you next time.